let me show you something that explains why so many people work hard online but still feel stuck. This image says it all, okay? One is copper, the other one is gold. Two people, same effort, same picking tools, but one hits gold, the other one doesn't. Most people don't fail because they are lazy. They fail because they are picking in the wrong place. Right now, a lot of people trying to make money online are putting in real effort. Maybe that's you, but the income they are building still depends completely on their time. You can scale your business if you still trade your time for the money. And if they pause, the money pauses. And if they step away, everything slows down. Every month feels like starting over again. It's not a motivation problem. It's not a discipline problem. It's that most people never build something that keeps working when they are not. All right. And here's what's changing right now. AI has opened up an entirely new opportunity, new gold mine. This is to build and sell your small, simple software tools. This is also called MicroSaaS apps. Okay. And this one is in massive demand right now. Based on the market research, right now, the MicroSaaS market is in an explosive growth right now. In 2024, the market size is $15 billion and it's projected it's going to reach $59 billion by year 2030. All right. And this business, it gives you 25% of annual growth. And these MicroSaaS creators, they are not giant tech startups. They probably just like you and me, a guy sitting in their bedroom, create their app and sell it like crazy. Okay. These are tools that you can build to solve one small clear problem. And the biggest shift, you no longer need to code. You don't need a tech background. You don't need months or years to build your app. AI now does all the heavy lifting. And this is exactly why Nathan and I created this App Builders Academy. It's a 30-day mentorship program designed to help complete beginners build and launch their first MicroSaaS app using AI. No coding, no complicated tech, and no guessing. And before we ever taught this, we tested the process ourselves. We use AI and no-code tools to build and launch a MicroSaaS app in under 2 weeks. And within 30 days, this app is generating us over $500 monthly income every single month. And right now, we are in the process of building our second app to create another income stream using the same process. Okay. And inside this App Builders Academy, will help you build, launch, and sell your very first app in 30 days. And we'll help you list your app to over 100 app networks to sell your app fast. So here's what happens inside this 4 weeks mentorship. Week number 1, we'll help you validate a real app idea with demand using AI. Week number 2, you build your app quickly using prompts and templates we'll give you. Week number 3, you launch, connect your payment processes, and publish your app across over 100 platforms. Then week number 4, all right? After you launch your app, we're also going to give you a simple system to follow so you can attract your first buyers and subscribers. By the end of this 4-week mentorship, you don't just learn, you actually have something live that can generate you income month after month. Now, for this 4-week mentorship program, App Builders Academy normally sells for $2,500, okay? But for the first 20 people, we're going to give them a special price for just $497. So if you ever wanted to build something that doesn't depend entirely on your time, something that can generate income without you being around, if you want a realistic, beginner-friendly way to create a digital asset, click on this link and enroll now, okay? It's going to take you to this enrollment page. And because you are the first 20 people, you're going to simply just pick up this mentorship with a special price, $497. And if you are in the United States, right, you can also use Afterpay if you want to do installment payment, all right? And we will start our App Builders Academy starting on January 10th, Saturday, all right? We're going to go through this 30-day together, then get your app created, launch it, and sell it. I look forward to seeing you inside this App Builders Academy. Let's go.